barely 25 days to the official commencement of the All-African Games 2023 here in Ghana, in Accra. The President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Akufo Addo, has commissioned the Borteyman Sports Complex, which is supposed or which is expected to host part of the sports disciplines that will be taking place during the All-African Games. The facility, whose construction began about 30 months ago, comprises centers such as the Dome, the Multipurpose Center, the Tennis Complex, the Aquatic Complex, and the Athletics Field. These centers will host handball, badminton, volleyball, table tennis, and swimming in the All-African Games from March 8 to March 23, 2024. Speaking at the event, the Minister for Youth and Sports, Mustafa Yusuf, commended the President of the Republic, Nana Addo Akufo Addo, for his efforts in ensuring that all challenges faced by the ministry and its partners during the construction of the facility were resolved.
The journey to this day has not been without challenges, and since Ghana won the bid in 2018 to host and organize the 30th African Games, Accra 2023, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, along with our partners and key stakeholders, have faced numerous hurdles in the lead up to this moment. The challenges and unforeseen obstacles have been present, which required quick and appropriate solutions. But I'm confident to say that, Your Excellency, with your unflinching support to the ministry, we have been able to overcome all these challenges through resilience, commitment, and determination that define our nation. Thank you, Mr. President.
For his part, President Akufo Addo, while expressing excitement about Ghana's chance to host the tournament for the first time since its inception, charged the local organizing committee and all partners to organize the best All-African Games in the history of the continent.
In its 57 years of existence, this is the first time that Ghana is hosting the Games. Despite Ghana being under the leadership of our first president, Kwame Nkrumah, a founding member of the African Games. The question is, why has Ghana not hosted the African Games until now? The answer is simple. There is a time for everything, and this is our time. Fellow Ghanaians, as we enter the final stretch in our preparations for the African Games next month, government, together with the African Union, the Association of National Committees of Africa, ANOCA, and the Association of Africa Sports Confederation, AASC, and other partners will do everything possible to make our visitors welcome and ensure the best arrangements for planned events. I acknowledge the Minister for Youth, the Ministry and the Minister for Youth and Sports, staff of the ministry, and the local organizing committee to go all out and organize the best African Games in history.
While touting some achievements of the Nana Addo-led administration in the development of sports infrastructure, Minister Mustafa Yusuf hinted at long-term plans by the government to convert the facility after the tournament to a university for sports development.
Your Excellency, the forthcoming 30th African Games carries immense significance for our national development and beyond. The trail of the competition, the event serves as a catalyst for progress, growth, and development, and the construction of the state-of-the-art facilities in the country not only provide a platform for athletics excellence, but also contribute to the overall infrastructure development. This infrastructural investment also align with government's long-term vision of transforming the entire infrastructure here at Borteyman to a university for sports for development. Distinguished guests, the reason for this conversion is simple. That's the huge investment into the magnificent sports facility will not only seek to achieve the sports development, but also sports for development, geared towards socio-economic development of our great country. In line with the UN Agenda 2030 and the AU Agenda 2063 and the Sustainable Development Goals, the development of sports and sports infrastructure, sports for development, and in particular, the attendance of competitions and tournaments play a crucial role in the socio-cultural transformation of many countries. Therefore, it is my fervent hope that this facility will be graciously maintained and sustained to continue keep the international standard for the continuous development of sportsmen and women, as well as potential athletes.
Other activities that accompanied the commissioning was the unveiling of the official jerseys of Team Ghana, alongside the unveiling of the official T-shirt for the supporters or Ghanaians who would want to come around and support Team Ghana. Reporting from the Borteyman Sports Complex, Joshua Tay, MX24 TV.